Hi students, let us continue our topic, the Vedic civilization. The features, the last two features are philosophy and science. Actually, what are the contributions of the Vedic people, especially in the field of philosophy and also science? First one is philosophy. Actually, towards the end of the Vedic period, a strong reaction that emerged against the domination of the priests and elaborate rituals. We already studied the Brahmins, especially in the Varna system. Brahmins, they occupied highest position in the society, especially during the later Vedic period and all. But during the end of the Vedic period, what happened? Their domination of the priest, it become means a strong reaction happened there. Around this time, almost in the period of 600, we studied no 1000 BCE to 600 BCE, later Vedic period. So during the 600 BCE, the Upanishads were compiled. We studied one of the additional means concept of Vedas, and also the Upanishads criticized the rituals and laid emphasis on right belief and knowledge. Through the Upanishads, right beliefs and right knowledge, especially concentrated on philosophical path. They also discussed the relationship between the soul, otherwise known as Atma. We know that inside of everyone's life, means we know at the time of life time itself, we know that inside our body one superpower is there. That power is telling by the based on these Upanishads and all is known as Atma, otherwise known as soul, and also the supreme being, that is known as Brahma. Means every living beings like this kind of a supernatural power is means there, we can't see anyway. And also the new doctrines that like the doctrine of karma. Karma means whatever we are doing, the actions, everything from the morning itself till the night up to whatever we are doing, everything it is known as action or karma, our karma. And dharma, that means the duty. We want to do some duties towards our parents, our siblings, like that way, that is known as our duty or dharma. And moksha, moksha means salvation. It will be evolved after the death, getting moksha. Like these concepts also arose related as the Upanishads. Remember, it's a philosophical content telling about the life of the human beings. The belief in rebirth after death became also popular. Especially we know that Hindus are very strongly believing that after death one more life is there, the rebirth, everyone will get a rebirth, next life and all, believing like that way. These concepts also strongly started related as the end of the Vedic period, especially mentioned there in the philosophical content inside there in the Upanishads, and also that is telling about the rebirth. Okay, so this is the philosophical contribution during the Vedic period. Next is the science. In the field of science, astronomy was highly developed in the Vedic period. Astronomy, we know that, study about stars and all. People knew about the movement of heavenly bodies and could calculate their positions at different times. The heavenly bodies based on the life of the human beings, how it is related with the heavenly bodies and all, its movement and all, it was correctly calculated, and they knew about these kind of things related as the human life. And that is how they could predict the time of solar and lunar eclipses also. So they knew that when the solar eclipse and lunar eclipses will come and happen, like that way, everything they knew because of the astronomical knowledge. Okay, so they also knew that the earth moved on its axis. We are studying about that. The earth moved on its own axis and around the sun. We know revolution and rotation. We studying now in science. Already you studied that what is revolution and rotation. Anyway, this one actually identified and realized by the Vedic people related as their astronomical knowledge. Whereas the moon moved around the earth. All this enabled them to prepare an accurate calendar. So based on these knowledge, they were very able to prepare an accurate calendar. Also they knew the use of zero related as mathematics. They knew that is zero and how to make large calculations in mathematics. Also they knew that square roots, cubes, cube roots were also known as, and it was used. So these are the mathematical. We know that mathematics mathematics also part of science. So these are the means knowledge about maths and also scientific inventions and all by the Vedic people. So remember, question answer is the related as science. What are the scientific contributions? Okay students, read the textbook after watching the video. Okay, thank you.